We are making umbrellas today for our April showers. So we've got, is that your handle, Ethan?
Yeah, I have to get some more tape, but it didn't want.
We have an umbrella out to do some research underneath. Now what's this going to be used for?
We're going to make like cardboard that's straight across, and then we're going to put some like stuff over it.
Okay. And what's that for, the wax paper?
I'm going to get a paper that goes into water.
Waterproof. Okay, interesting.
We're gonna try to keep the frog.
To keep the frog dry? All right.
I'm gonna put it a different way.
And Aiden and Connor are working together. I see lots of good stuff happening over there. All right. Grayson and Brendan, I see that you're working hard. Holt has a neat idea going on over there. I can get you more tape, Trey, but you can use what you have first. Ava, tell me what you're doing. Now tell me about this on the inside.
It's so that just in case it soaks through, it won't touch you.
I love that. So are you going to do some on the outside too? Yeah? Nice. That is pretty fabric. This is going to be a pretty umbrella.
Yeah, we need to make it bigger.
You need to make it bigger?
Yeah, but that's the hard part.